Jobs play an important role in career building and career development. There are a million jobs and companies recruiting candidates across the world. The jobs at present have huge demand because of the growth in software. But not only all the jobs require coding, but some other jobs don't need any coding experience and have much growth potential. Hey everyone, welcome back to yet another exciting video from Simplilearn. In this session, we will be discussing top IT jobs with no coding. However, before we begin the session, make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit that bell icon so that you can never miss an update from Simplilearn. So now, the IT jobs with no coding. The first one in the list is the business analyst. A business analyst is a person who is responsible for processing and analyzing the documents of the system businesses and business environment. Business analysts work in several industries such as banking, finance, software, and many more. He manages and improves the business and processes the services and products using software and data analytics and acts as a liaison between the technical developers and management. Business analyst also holds the ability that helps in influencing the business and stakeholders to work more effectively to determine acceptable solutions. Now, let's have a look at some of the topmost skills required to become a business analyst. Business analysts must possess skills like Excel, presentation, statistical knowledge, and analytical skills. These are some required skills for business analysts. Now, let's walk through some top companies hiring business analysts. Accenture, Deloitte, TCS, and ZS Associates are topmost companies hiring business analysts. According to the Glassdoor source, business analysts will get an average salary of $75,000 per annum in United States of America and 8 lakhs per annum in India. And the next job in the docket is product manager. A product manager is the one who manages and is responsible for the development of products in an organization. A product manager considers numerous factors such as the intended customer or user of a product, the products offered by a competition, and how well the product fits with the company's business model. He has a role to perform all the activities related to schedule and resource management. Now, let's have a look at some topmost skills required to become a product manager. A product manager should be proficient in communication and also possess skills like analytical, marketing, and some technical skills. There are a lot of companies hiring product managers. Some of the topmost companies among them are Amazon, Google, Salesforce, and Microsoft. According to some sources collected by Glassdoor, a product manager can earn an average salary of $1 lakh per annum and approximately around 15 lakhs per annum in India. And the third one in the list we have is the project manager. A project manager is a professional in the field of project management, and he is responsible for planning, procurement, and execution of a project. A project manager is also responsible for leading the work of team to achieve all the project goals within the given time. The secondary goal is to produce a unique product, add service from the beginning to the end. A project manager is responsible for accomplishing the project objectives, which involves key project management responsibilities include defining and communicating project objectives that are clear, useful, and attainable. A project manager should be proficient and possess skills like leadership, time management, and team management, and communicate with others. The top companies hiring project managers are Google, Microsoft, Cisco, and Apple. The project manager can get an average salary of $98,884 in America and 12 lakhs per annum in India. And the next one in the list is graphic designer. A graphic designer is a professional in graphic design and graphic arts industry who assembles images, typography, or motion graphics to create a piece of design and is responsible for creating visual concepts using computer or hand to inspire and communicate with customers. The main role of graphic designer is to develop design overall layout for the production, for the applications, advertisements, etc. They are responsible for typesetting, user interface design, and web design. A graphic designer should be an expert in graphic design, communicate easily with others, and possess problem-solving and creative skills. The top companies hiring graphic designers across the world are Amazon, Google, Adobe, and some freelancing companies. Graphic designers can get an average salary of $43,247 American dollars per annum and 4,20,000 rupees in India. And the next IT job with no coding in the list is technical writer. A technical writer is a professional information communicator whose task is to transfer information between two or more parties. Technical writers research and create information through various delivery media that include online help manuals, white papers, design specifications, project plans, and software test plans. They take advanced concepts and communicate them clearly that are accessible to the users. A technical writer should be an expert in design, writing, and research, and also be able to communicate with others easily. Top companies hiring technical writers across the world are Google, Microsoft, Cisco, and Apple. Now, the technical writer can get an average salary of 79,151 American dollars per annum and 11,50,000 rupees in India.
Choose from over 300 in-demand skills and get access to 1,000 plus hours of video content for free. Visit SkillUp by Simplilearn. Click on the link in the description to know more.
And the next job in the list is SEO specialist. SEO specialists are marketing professionals who use research and analysis to improve a website's ranking on search engine like Google. They are also responsible for testing and implementing various search engine marketing techniques. SEO work involves what people search for, what are actual terms, etc. An SEO specialist should possess skills like critical thinking, research skills, web coding, and analysis. Top companies hiring SEO specialists are Amazon, Google, Infosys, and Freelancer. SEO specialists can get an average salary of 46,875 American dollars in America and 5,40,000 rupees in India. The next job in the list is the software quality tester. Software quality tester is responsible for detecting and fixing the bugs in the software. They are also responsible for examining new modified computer software applications to evaluate whether or not they perform as intended. Software testing involves the execution of programs or the application to find failures. Software testing involves executing all levels of testing, system integration, and regression. A software quality tester should possess critical thinking, testing skills, analytical skills, and good communication skills. The top companies hiring software quality testers are Google, Microsoft, Epson, and TCS. A software quality tester can get an average salary of 63,352 American dollars in USA and 5 lakh rupees per annum in India. And the next job in the list is operations manager. The operations manager is responsible for designing the process of production and redesigning business operations. Operation manager mainly concentrates on goods and services using technology. The main goal and responsibility is to increase and maintain business efficiency. The operations manager should possess skills like critical thinking, good communication skills, leadership, and problem-solving skills. The top companies hiring operations managers are Amazon, Accenture, Dell, and American Express. An operations manager can get an average salary of 63,352 American dollars per annum and 12,30,000 rupees in India as an annual salary. And the next job in the list is data analyst. A data analyst collects, cleans, and interprets data sets in order to answer a question or solve a problem. They can work in many industries including business, finance, criminal justice, science, medicine, and government. Data analysts extract primary and secondary data sources using automated tools. A data analyst should possess skills like critical thinking, Excel work, presentation, and analytical skills. The top companies hiring data analysts are Capital One, Pactera, Google, and Microsoft. A data analyst can get an average salary of 55,700 American dollars in United States of America and 5 lakh rupees per annum in India. The final IT job without coding in the list is SAP consultant. SAP consultants are responsible for analyzing, designing, and configuring new software and systems. They create and develop new software and configure systems according to the client or their employee specifications. They also hold the responsibility to prepare documents and communicate the client's requirements. SAP consultants should have SAP skills and possess skills like communication, presentation, and working under teams. The top companies hiring SAP consultants are Accenture, IBM, Capgemini, and Deloitte. SAP consultants can get an average salary of 87,931 American dollars per annum in United States of America and 6 lakh rupees in India as an annual salary. And this was all for today's session. I hope now you guys have got an idea on IT jobs with no coding. If you have any questions, would you please let us know in the comment sections below? And our experts will be happy to answer all your queries. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from Simply Learn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simply Learn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.